You're at CloudFest, meeting with CodeGuard CEO David Moeller. David, we mainly know CodeGuard from delivering backups, but I know CodeGuard is delivering way more. Can you explain?
Absolutely. We're known for our world-class backups, and we back up over 500,000 websites and databases for customers around the world. And what we're doing at this show is really trying to share some of the new things that we've produced. We have a malware gone product. We will remove malware on the fly. We have automatic updating for WordPress plugins. We have staging server environments. We have website migration. We even have email backup. So while we're known for what we've done with websites specifically, we're excited to announce some of the new things we've been working on here at CloudFest.
CloudFest so far, how did it go?
The show has been fantastic. I don't think it could have been going much better. We enjoyed sponsoring the Come Together party on Monday night, where Right Said Fred performed. Tonight we're sponsoring the Connection party with the Vokerball band, which is a Rammstein cover band, so that should be fantastic. And we were excited to sponsor the name badges as well. And so really enjoying our time here and connecting with partners and future partners and customers.
Yeah, there are quite some partners present here. Quite some CSPs, MSPs. How important is the channel for CodeGuard?
The channel is absolutely important to us from a go-to-market standpoint. Our business is about half direct, where we have a relationship with the customers, and half through our channel partners, and we find that us having a relationship with the customers, acquiring them directly, allows us to really understand their needs, and that informs what we do with the product and where we go with it. And then our channel partners help us to have scale, so that we take that industry-leading feature development and then deliver that at scale for hundreds of thousands of customers. So we absolutely rely on our partners, and we find it a very mutually beneficial relationship, as we have revenue share agreements so that both sides can win. The customers are happy. You have greater customer retention, greater customer satisfaction, and so we find that it's a very beneficial relationship for us.
Okay. What should the channel partners know about reselling backup?
Probably the most important thing for channel partners to know about reselling backup is that most customers don't need it and know they need it until it's too late. And so you have to sell it to them and present it to them in a way that's easy to buy when they're getting set up with their hosting, because when they know they need it, when something has gone wrong, it's too late. You can't go get your insurance policy after you got in the wreck. You have to have the insurance ahead of it. So that's probably the number one thing for selling CodeGuard, or let's say a backup website backup service, is it needs to be presented to customers when they're early in their lifetime.
What benefits do channel partners get from CodeGuard?
So some of the benefits are that there's increased reputational benefit for, in the shared or even VPS and dedicated space, where a host can differentiate themselves. They also have benefits of generating more revenue, and customer satisfaction is probably the most important, because customers who are not sophisticated from a technology standpoint can fix things when things go wrong, and they're going to stay. They're not going to leave. So that customer satisfaction is probably one of the biggest benefits for hosts.
You also have Whitelabel options?
We do. We have tremendous Whitelabel functionality. We have thousands of agencies who use this around the world, and it can be myagency.com or myagency.backups.com, and that's fine. The customer would never know it's CodeGuard powering it. So we're very happy to provide our white-labeled services to MSPs, and they enjoy them as well. And there's a good amount of client access functionality that exists, as well as portals, so that administrative work can be done. And we've spent a lot of time to make sure that engineering is outstanding.
David, you're also a keynote speaker at CloudFest. Mm-hmm. What is your key message?
So my key message was on technology adoption, and I spoke about how hybrid corn seed, a study of hybrid corn seed from 1936 to 1939, it went from not being used really at all in the United States to 2/3 of all farmers using it over a 3-year period. And that's where the technology adoption lifecycle came from. Most of us know it from Geoffrey Moore and Crossing the Chasm, but it actually started in this very interesting study about the biggest innovation during the Depression, which was this corn seed. So I looked at that and showed some parallels to the growth of Facebook and YouTube and Google+, and tied it together so that folks in this audience can apply it.
Thanks, David.
Thank you.